Pakistan, which has found itself reeling under the menace of COVID-19 and has failed to report even the exact number of people who have contracted the virus, has come up with homemade ventilators. While this comes as a rare positive development from the country, doctors and experts believe that they still suffer from acute shortage of medical equipments. They have demonstrated against the government but have failed to gather any attention. The government is busy patting its own back.
Pakistan PM Imran Khan, who has repeatedly been criticized for his failure to tackle the COVID-19 pandemic, handed over a bunch of dozen locally manufactured ventilators to the country's National Disaster Management Authority in the northwestern city of Haripur. It came amid a growing demand of ventilators and other essential medical equipment in the country. Last month, Pakistan's National Disaster Management Authority chairman had told a parliamentary committee that there were only 1,500 ventilators available at government hospitals treating virus patients.
अभी 12 हमने तैयार कर लिए हैं और बाकी हमारी जो प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी है वो सिंगल शिफ्ट में 50 से 100 के करीब है एक हफ्ते में, और महीने में तकरीबन हम 300, 350 से लेकर 500 तक डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द ऑर्डर हम अपनी कैपेसिटी को बढ़ा सकते हैं। इसमें एक बताना ज़रूर समझूंगा यहाँ पे मैं आपको कि इंजीनियरिंग काउंसिल की एक टीम ने, एक्सपर्ट्स की टीम ने ऑलरेडी एनआरटीसी की तमाम प्रोडक्शन फैसिलिटीज़ को एवेलुएट किया। उस एवेलुएशन के बाद दे डिक्लेयर दैट इट इज़ एज़ पर इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स और ये वेंटिलेटर की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए बिल्कुल ठीक है।
Pakistan has reported around 250,000 cases and over 5,000 deaths since the outbreak of COVID-19. Observers say that it hasn't done enough tests to find the real number of patients. Pakistan is not a highly skilled and experienced country when it comes to manufacturing medical equipment, but is manufacturing its own material with no proven efficiency, as its capability to import have declined sharply amidst sagging economy. Market experts say a mechanical ventilator can cost up to $50,000. Pakistan's Science and Technology Minister believes that his country would become manufacturing hub for ventilators.
पाकिस्तान $2.1 बिलियन के जो इक्विपमेंट है, मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट है, हर साल बरामद करता है, और $1 बिलियन का हम सर्विस एग्रीमेंट करते हैं जो इस इक्विपमेंट को चलाने के लिए जो कंपनीज के साथ हम करते हैं। इस बहुत बड़े इनिशिएटिव के नतीजे में पाकिस्तान के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ी सनत जो है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक की, यानी जो हमारी मेडिकल आलात की जो एक बहुत बड़ी सनत है, उसका आगाज़ होगा। और इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान को अगले 3 सालों में हम $1 बिलियन जो की इंपोर्ट जो है वो बचाएंगे, और 5 सालों में इंशाल्लाह मुझे उम्मीद है कि पाकिस्तान को बैरूनी दुनिया से कोई भी जो मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट है वो मंगवाना नहीं पड़ेगा।
As many as 48 doctors have resigned in Lahore after their repeated demands of medical equipment were not paid any heed by administration. Doctors have also accused that they are being treated like second citizens. More than 70 medics, most of them doctors in Pakistan, have lost their lives to COVID-19, and over 5,000 have been infected so far. Senior doctors say that they will also exit if the government doesn't wake up now. Imran Khan government, on the other side, has reacted indifferently to their plight, and instead of ramping up facilities for doctors, has been promoting its tiny achievements. In such a callous response, nobody knows as to how much of Pakistanis have already succumbed to the disease and how many more will become its victim.